Ang oras, mga kaibigan, sa buong kapuluan ay ganap ng alas... Oras na ba? 9:31 na pala. 9:31 mga kaibigan. Maligayang pakikinig po sa lahat ng mga nakaantabay sa atin. Sa naman dako ng kapuluan. Halo. Yan. Hi naka. Mga kaibigan, sa mga nilalang po na kabahagi ng ating programa gabi-gabi at nag-aabang, dahil excited dahil magpa-Friday na. Oh. Ano yan tawag nito, isang ritual na tayo magsama-sama pag Friday ng gabi. Yung mga nakaantabi mga kaibigan sa internet, hello po sa inyo. Hope you guys will enjoy what we are going to share together ngayong tonight. Ngayong Friday ng gabi. Teka ba hinahatak ako dito? Maligayang pakikinig po sa lahat ng mga sa lahat ng mga broken hearted. Yung mga hindi prepared na may Valentine's pala sa kalendaryo. Diba? Sabi nung iba, ito nasabi lang to ha. Sabi yun daw Feb 14 ay Valentine's Day, araw ng mga puso. Pero sa mga naloko, araw ng mga bobo daw yun. Parang ayaw ko tuloy lumabas. Yung 14, parang gusto ko 30 magtago ako, di ba parang ganun. Maligayang bati po. Yan. Ay nako. Mga kaibigan, meron tayong caller na sa kabilang line. Ang pangalan niya ay Poby. Hello, Poby.
Hello, Papa Jack. Hello?
Parang magbabanta ka.
Hindi naman, Papa Jack.
Parang, yung pagkaka-hello mo, parang parang sa wakas, nakausap din kita.
Nagulat kasi ako, Papa Jack. Kinakabahan lang. Sorry.
Ano pangalan mo?
Toby, Papa Jack.
Poby, di ba yun yung kinakain, tsokolate?
Hindi. Ewan ko, Papa Jack.
Moby pala yun, so.
Amo.
Ito naman yung joke kung corny na. Hindi pa nasakyan.
Medyo slow. Sorry.
Hindi ako medyo corny. Poby, ang ganda ng pangalan mo. Pangalan mo talaga yan?
Hindi.
Ay, isa kang octopus. May iba kang tentacles. Diba? Tentacles. May iba kang trip. Oo. Talaga yan. Sige. Ikaw ay, anong ginagawa sa buhay?
Nagtatrabaho na po.
25 ka, di ba? Anong trabaho
Yes.
mo?
Marketing associate.
So, sure. Anong binibenta?
Pinaganda lang yun.
Anong binibenta? Alam ko, ahente yan.
Sa loans.
Sa loans. So, kasi dati ako naman, sales associate naman ako. Kaya alam ko na pag ganyan, talaga nagbibenta ka, no? At mahirap ang trabaho yan. Mahirap ang trabaho yan. Magbibenta ba?
Yung
Aalok-alok ka, di ba?
Ano naman kami, sa office lang.
Wala ka pala sa akin, Diyos. May asawa ka na?
Wala, single.
Gusto ko aminin sa akin.
Wala naman.
Ay, dahilan ng pagtawag.
Siguro nahihirapan lang din ako mag-decide. Although, siguro alam ko rin yung yung sagot, pero nahihirapan ako mag-decide.
Mag-decide? Bakit?
Sa work kasi siya.
Tungkol sa work ang pag-usapan?
Oo. Yung sa puso,
kaya mo na?
hindi naman. Baka pwedeng maisingit, gano'n.
Ang dami mong problema, trabaho, pag-ibig, baka may ekonomiya rin kasunod niyan.
Oo.
Tapos?
Kasi nangyari. Last month lang.
Last month.
Tapos, yung ka-office mate ko kasi, may iniwan ako sa kanyang trabaho nung nag-leave ako nung last December.
May iniwan kang trabaho sa ka-office mate mo kasi nag-leave ka na in December.
Yup.
Bakit mo kailangang iwanan sa kanya yung trabaho? Ba't mo tinapos bago kang mag-leave?
Kasi, nagkaroon ako ng emergency, so umuwi ako ng province.
Okay. Anong emergency? Pag-ibig ba yan?
Hindi. Family.
Talagang emergency. Kasi nung last month, nag-emergency rin ako kunyari. Lahat ng totoo niyan, tinamad lang ako. Diba? Kanya-kanya version ng emergency. Pero ikaw talagang emergency. Sige.
Siyempre naman, uwi pa ako ng Palawan tapos
Ay, gusto ko yan magpalawan pero emergency kahit hindi naman. Diba? Kaya lang ang problema ka sa akin pag nag-emergency ako sa Palawan, may love bridge sa Palawan. Eri pa rin ako doon.
Oo, may love radio doon.
Walay pa din yung pahinga. Sige, tapos,
And then, pagbalik ko, akala ko yung iniwan ko sa kanyang trabaho, nagawa niya, or na-update niya.
Okay.
Then, nung hiningi na sa akin yung report, nag-rattle ako. So, syempre, boss mo yung naging eh.
naging rattlesnake ka.
Hindi naman, syempre, nataranta lang ako.
Kasi kumbaga, para sa'yo, accomplished na yun kasi binili mo sa kanya.
Opo, tapos yung pagbalik ko, in-endorse niya sa akin na sinabi niya na nagawa niya na pa yung bagong file, so it means updated siya.
Sinabi ko sa'yo na na-accomplish naman niya.
Kasi kumbaga parang in-endorse back niya sa akin ulit.
So, mali yung in-endorse niya sa'yo na details. Ganun ba yun? Ay, loko pala yan. Sino nanay niya? Usapin ko yan. Di ba hindi maganda yung ganyan? Yung tao sa mundo, masarap may Bartolino. Agad-agad. Patapon.
So parang parang after nun, so nagkaroon kami ng argument. Tapos, actually ako na yung nag-argue sa kanya. Kasi parang hindi directly. Although alam ko mali.
Alam ko na kung paano mo ginagawa. Nag-post ka sa Facebook mo.
Ay, gano'n na nga.
Sabi ko ganyan tayo no? Hindi na. Nakalimutan na natin yung totoong halaga ng komunikasyon kaya masama kayo mabuti magsabi ng personal. Hindi yung pinapaalam sa buong mundo. Ano kayo, Shider?
Ayan, then, parang gusto ka sana mag-resign kasi parang hindi na ako masaya sa work ko tapos yung work environment.
Kumbaga, hindi ka na nga ganun kasaya sa ginagawa mo tapos meron ka pang kaobisinang kaaway, parang gano'n. Gusto mo mag-resign, napapressure ka, gano'n. May pressure. Hindi ko maramdaman sa work yung pressure. Kasi ang saya ang trabaho ko. Diba? Honestly
Siyempre.
Oo.
Kumbaga yung pressure na makasip Papa Jack, parang wala namang problema yun. Basta masaya sa ginagawa mo. And then, yun lang, syempre.
Ikaw, medyo hindi ka na masaya sa ginagawa mo. May pressure pa, parang gano'n.
Hindi, may pressure naman siya. Pero...
Ay, hindi mali ako. Hindi ako tumatama. Sorry. Ano ba? Ipaliwanag muna. Hindi ko mahulaan. Parang nararamdaman mo. Baka ka nag-jerks ka lang
So, kahit pa paano naman, namamanage naman din yung work kahit na may na-overload. Pero may time din na parang sa mga katrabaho, parang walang support. Then yung mga ganun nga nagkakaroon ng konting miscommunications or misunderstanding. Yun.
Ikaw ba ay kumbaga rank and file? Sorry sa tanong ha.
Siguro may yabang yung dating pero hindi naman ganun. Pero I think nakikita ng mga
hindi, ang tinatanong ko kung ano ka, supervisor ka na ba?
Ay, sorry Papa Jack, ano?
Rank and file kung ano ka ba?
Ay, staff pa lang ang Papa Jack.
So pare-pares ka ng posisyon.
Meron ka parehas din, merong hindi. Although kahit na parehas kami ng level.
Pa-senior ka gano'n?
Middle lang.
Ay, middle
Kumbaga,
job. Pag na-promote ka, above job. Pag hindi pa, alam mo na, below job.
So, nasa gitna ako, Papa
Below
Jack.
ka, nasa middle job ka. Gusto ko yan. Middle job. Kasi ako, hanggang ngayon, nasa below job ako eh. Hindi mo na ma-promote eh. Below pa lang ako eh. Sana nga this year, ma-middle job ako. Gusto ko kasi ma-middle ako eh.
Below job pa din. Diba, below job pa rin.
Kumbaga rank and file, tama?
Hindi naman. At ang below job pa rin siya. Pero,
Tawag ko yung tulitin. Baka hindi mo masabi ng tama at ng hustisya. Tapos, sige, natuloy mo na yung kwento mo.
tapos, yung dalawang boss, ay, actually, yung una ko talaga naging boss, tumipat na siya ng other company.
Kumbaga, yung boss na yan, yun yung pet na pet ka, gano'n.
Gusto niya din ako.
Yung pag nalalagyan ka na niyan leash, pakainin kang dog food, gano'n. Yung pet na pet ka. Yung bigla kang himasa sa batok. Bigla ka mapapakahol. Gano'n.
Tapos, after a couple of months, yung pumalit sa kanya na naging
Boss.
boss ko na din siya.
Hmm.
So, lumipat ka rin ngayon ng other bank, ay ng other company.
Nabanggit mo na bangko. Tuloy mo na yan, oh.
Tapos,
Ano kay insurance to tsaka mga loan din? Feeling ko investment ka eh. Hindi kasi yung
nakakadulas talaga.
hindi, yung wardrobe ko kasi, yan ang trabaho niya kaya alam ko. O pag may maganda na yung sales niya, pwede na siya umuwi. May ganun eh. At tama mali.
Sa
May
amin.
mga ganung araw, pag ang ganda ng sales mo, papauwiin ka na para makita ng iba na pag maganda ang sales niyo, pwede kayo mag-early out ganun. Ha?
Ay, hindi.
Wala ka
hindi
pala eh.
ganun.
Wala. Mas magaling siya. O tapos,
Tapos, naririnig ko lang din na gusto na akong kunin ng una kong boss.
sa ibang company,
Oo.
paano mo naririnig? Ganun.
Kasi,
Tap ganun.
Siyempre, may communication pa from sa unang boss at may mga kasama na rin siya doon na dati kong katrabaho. Tapos,
Oo.
siyempre, yung mga naiwan
Ang
sa
tawag
amin
din piracy,
dito.
no? Papirate ka nila.
Hindi naman piracy. Piracy,
Ang
siyempre.
tawag mo doon, ikukunin. Diba? Piracy yan, Brad. Diba, if you're coming from the same industry, going, diba, doon sa kabilang industriya, competing ka, piracy yan. Lahat nandun yung boss mo, dati. Pero wala namang masama eh. For the greener
Siyempre,
pasture.
kampante siyang katrabaho din kami. Ganun.
Baka magaling ka para sa paningin niya. May ganun eh, di ba?
Mm.
Yung he is the boss who can bring out the best sa iyo bilang empleyado.
Mm-mm.
Ganun.
Then yung isa ko yung isang boss ko, ganun din. Yung ngayon nakakalis. Gusto niya akong kunin.
Agad-agad kukunin ka na.
Hindi naman kukunin. So parang pinapa-update ng CV. So at least
O sa mga hindi nakakaalam, ano ang CV curriculum?
betay.
Bitay. Sorry.
May kumakain pa dyan.
Anong sabi ko bitay? Ano ba? Di ba kagabi mga British accent? Anong kulit mo?
Sorry na.
Curriculum
Ayun.
bitay, gano'n.
And then, syempre, medyo nagkaroon kasi ako ng financial shortage last month. Nung nagkaroon ako ng emergency sa Palau, nung umuwi ako ng province. So, nagkaroon ako ng loans. Then, parang, although before kasi nakapag-send na rin ako sa kanya ng CV ko, so mga a weeks ago, 2 weeks ago na. Then, waiting ako ng...
Kano inutang mo sa kumpanya?
Maliit. Ay, siguro kung sa iba maliit. Sa akin malaki kasi nag-start pa lang ako. So, pumapatak na siya ng sa 30.
30. O, malaki yan. Ka ba? Malaki yan. 30 million eh.
Yun.
Diba? Nalilitang ka dyan?
Siyempre kung sa iba, siyempre sa akin malaki na yun.
Wala, mahal lang ka. 30 mil? Oh, ang rear bumper niya ay 22,000. Mahigit eh. Sorry. Ano yun? Dawa, sabi. At ako.
Hindi ko kasi, last 2 nights ago, nakita ko yung 2 days ago, nag-message sa akin yung boss ko na gusto niya ako din yung CV ko for updating din para na din. I think ma-pursue niya na dun sa HR. Then,
Kumbaga, ibabacker ka na niya. Ay, hindi. Wag natin gawin yung word na backer. Kumbaga, i-recommenda. Yun na lang. Kasi, siyempre, may kaalam naman yung kakayahan mo bilang empleyado.
Yup. Then, before kasi nakapagbigay na ako sa kanya. So, parang, hindi ko bino yung message niya. Then, kasi nag-isip ako kung ano yung magiging alibi ko. Hindi man alibi, yung magiging reason ko. Kasi pag nahirapan akong mag-reason out sa kanya, kasi nga, syempre, I think naman nag-expect na rin siya na gusto ko na sana umalis din before kasi nga gusto ko na sana ng new environment. Kaya, hindi ko sana kung paano sa kanya na hindi siya ma-disappoint na maybe in the next couple of years if available na ako na pwede na ako, ready na ako na mag-transfer if pwede niya pa na akong kunin or hindi.
So kumbaga, wait lang, hindi mo may kwento na maayos i-shortcut natin ha. So gusto mong sabihin sa kanya na ma'am, I am not yet ready to work with you again or sir, I'm not yet ready to work with you again Maybe in a couple of years, I'd like to keep my options open. Parang ganon.
Parang ganun, oo.
Yun na yun. I-reply mo na.
Ayun na yun.
Salamat sa pagtawad.
Ay, ganun.
Yun na yun eh. Gusto mo lang sabihin sa kanya, di ba, na hindi siya nadidismaya at nagagalit sa'yo.
And then, ito pa, syempre, mag-stay din ako din sa company. Syempre, still yung mga ka-work ko, still sila pa yung workmates ko. Yung nagkaroon kasi kami ng commotion sila, ng misunderstanding a weeks ago. So, nagkaroon kami ng open forum.
Sana nga wag na commotion. Sana makuha nyo commission, di ba? Hindi na magandang makuha, hindi commotion. Kasi pag commotion, brand, sakit na ulo, maganda commission.
Wala nang commission, Papa Jock.
Wala commission. Tapos,
And then, syempre, nagkaroon kami ng hindi na magandang communication. Then, syempre, moving forward. So, kailangan, before kasi, okay kami. So, wala kaming problema. Kumaga, may problema, pero lahat na-handle naman namin. Pero nung may nangyari nga, na hindi kami nagkaintindihan, hindi kami nagkaroon ng Siyempre, nilabas ko that time yung emotions ko, yung feelings ko na...
Teka lang, alam mo, nagtataka ako dyan. Nagwala ka ba sa opisina?
Yes, hindi naman nagwala.
Kasi parang doon umikot yung kwento eh. Nagpatikal-kal ka ba sa harap ng lahat?
Kasi nag-voice out ako. So, tumaas yung boses ko.
Ay, nagtakin ka ng mataas. Diba? Dapat nagpamewang ka, mataas din.
Nag-high pitch.
Oo, di ba? Ay! You do not do that to me. Ganon, gumanon ka. Nung uli ako magalit, hindi ako nag-voice out. Nag-spell out ako. Nautot na lang ako sa gilid. Sorry.
Okay lang nga sana ganun, diba?
Walang point yung mga pinag-gawa ko sa buhay.
Tapos, syempre, nagkaroon kami ng open forum. Then, syempre, narinig ko rin yung naging feedback nila sa akin. Kasi, parang, inano ko sa kanila na yung willingness, yung parang, anong tawag dito? Yung pagkusa na saan tumulong, kasi naging loaded ako talaga few months ago na.
Ang tawag doon ay ikaw yung pinaka may tawag diyan eh. Kung ikaw yung pinakamaraming ginagawa, you are the most dependable.
Parang
diba?
ganon.
At hindi mo kanayang pressure. Kasi ganun naman talaga yun eh. You wouldn't have a lot of workload, di ba? Unless alam nung nagbibigay ng load na kaya mong tapusin. Kasi gano'n, ibigay example, dito sa amin sa opisina, may mga ilang tao na punong-puno ng ginagawa. Kasi alam na mga nagde-delegate ang gawain na sila yung mga taong kaya tong tapusin yung gawain. May mga tao sa amin na walang ginagawa. Example, Papa Jack, Chris Chopper. Yan yung mga yung mga nagmumukha kaming props. kasi kapag binigyan mo kaming trabaho dito, ang ending, sasakit lang yung ulo na kakakulit sa akin. Ang maraming ginagawa ito si Raketera. Si Laika Barista, si Nicole Liala.
Sila yung busy
Sila yung laging busy kasi ang mangyayari kasi pag ibinigay sa akin yung trabaho, di ba? Ibibigay ko din sa kanila. Sabihin ko, ililibre na lang kitang chocolate. Gano'n. Gusto naman nila eh. So, carry bells lang. Namukhang tsokolate yung dalawang yan.
Bibila mo sila na yung may giraffe sa loob.
May giraffe, tsaka may lamang rhinoceros, gano'n. Yung ninja, ha? O, tumuloy ka na. Example ko lang. Parang, so you feel good about what you do for the company. Alright.
Then, syempre, may mga time na nagbabato din ako ng work. Then parang, syempre parang or nagre-reklamo ako sa mga, kung ano yung mga sa working place. Then, parang, siguro, nabanggit niya sa akin yung salitang parang naging bossy daw ako. Parang feeling ko kasi yung ko na, hindi niyo yun mararamdaman kasi, parang sa akin, hindi niyo yun mararamdaman kung from the first place pa lang na yung willingness niyo sana, parang, di ba nandoon? Kasi parang may papakisuyo or may...
Wait lang okay. Alam mo I get the feeling na you are trying to be defensive sa kwento mo. Tama, mali?
Opo.
Alam natin na, kasi ganito alright, didiretsahin kita ha.
Okay,
ang kinikwento mo sa akin, hindi na nila makita yung naging ambag mo, yung contribution mo dahil sa naging attitude mo.
Parang ganon.
Ayan.
Oh,
Ang galing ko lagi, no?
actually, naging ano na, nung sinabi
Kumbaga, ang
sa akin,
naaalala nila, hindi yung kakayahan mo tapusin yung mga trabaho na ibinibigay sa'yo. Ang nakikita na lang nila, naging bossy ka.
yes.
Ayan.
So, inamin ko rin yun sa kanila na, oo, parang, kasi parang, yung mga simpleng bagay na dapat initiative mong gawin, parang hindi din nila ginagawa. Na, alam naman din nila na, yung kaliwat ka na nahihinging report, tapos may ina-update ka pang kailangan gawin. Tapos kapag meron nakita lang ako na ganito na dapat, routine naman siya na nangyayari na liligpitin, parang hindi na din nila nagagawa. Kaya nagkaroon kami ng commotion din dahil doon.
Alam mo, minsan sa pagkakasabi yan eh. May mga pagkakataon na walang masama sa gusto mong sabihin, depende sa pagkakasabi mo sa kanila. Ganito Brad, I guess I am not the perfect person, di ba, to give you the advice on this. Kasi magiging personal sa akin yung magiging payo ko sa'yo. Di ba?
Okay lang.
Unang-una sa lahat, I am not even the perfect employee ng kumpanya namin. Diba, I got in trouble with my bosses many times kasi matigas ulo ko. Pag pinayawan kita, pinaplastic ko sarili ko dito. Pwede ako magsinungaling sa'yo. Hindi ko alam mo ba ako yung best employee dito. Tapos bukas may memo ako ganun. Kasi narinig ng boss ko, talaga, teka ka. Sir, joke lang, sir. O, diba? But I learned something, no? Total na pag-uusapan. I learned something sa ganyan, may mga pagkakataon na there's a proper way of saying things. There's the right avenue to voice out your emotion. Pero ako naman, i-apply this naman sa, kasi may salon ako, may mga empleyado rin ako, di ba? Di ba? Huy!
Uy, opo.
Maka-uy din eh. Di ba? Iba naman, kasi sa opisinang ito, ako empleyado. Di ba? I am an employee of Manila Broadcasting Company under Love Radio. Pero pagdating sa sa negosyo ko, ako yung boss doon. Iba naman yung pakikitungo ko sa kanila. And I always tell my people na iba kasi pag pag pumapasok ka ng trabaho at emosyon ang gamit mo. Ito gusto kong gawing pointer sa ito, ha. Sana makatulong. Hindi ko alam kung perfect ito, pero sana makatulong. Number 1, you do not go to work to gain friends. Kasi kung gusto mong magbarkada, Brad, mag-choir ka ng simbahan. Tama? Kasi mostly ang iniingatan mo dyan, the friendship, yung samahan. Tama? Kasi wala kang sasweldoin dyan eh. It's more of your time you're giving away yourself. Tama? Yun. Nagvo-volunteer. Mag-choir ka, mag-DSWD ka, mag-volunteer ka. Pumunta ka ng yung mga home for the aged. I-volunteer mo yung sarili mo. You are there for the relationship. Andun ka,
Okay.
But when you're employed, you are not there to have friends. That's not your main purpose. You are there to work, di ba? And along the way, bonus lang na magkaroon ng kaibigan. Di ba? It's just a reflection of how you do your job, di ba? Kumpara sa ginagawa nila at kung paano ka makitungo kahit nagko-compete kayo. You are not going to work because, di ba? You gain friends. Kasi pagkakaibigan na una sa utak mo, di ba? Ang ibig sabihin niyan, Brad, there will be days na bad trip ka, walang kinalaman sa trabaho kasi nag-away kayo nung kaibigan katrabaho mo. Inuna mo na yung friendship. Di ba? Ang hirap. Kaya nga ang kumpanya merong rules. Bawal magkaroon ng jowa sa kumpanya. Di ba? Kasi pag nag-away kayo, madadama yung trabaho. It's actually a rule na minsan na-overlook na o pinababayaan. Kasi dito sa amin may mga magjowa kami, may mga mag-asawa, walang problema hanggat hindi na-apekto yung trabaho. Iba sa salon ko, may mag-asawa, may magjowa, wala kang pakialam hanggat hindi na-apekto ang trabaho.
Yung trabaho.
Diba? Ang bottom line, what I'm telling you is, kasi ang layo na narating natin. Nagpunta tayo sa kung yung dati mong boss, wala naman pala kinalaman sa tatanong mo sa akin.
Actually, ayun na nga kasi Papa Jack kasi parang yung paglipat sa other company, yun yung sa akin na yun nangyari sa aming misunderstanding ng mga katrabaho ko. Pero
yun, Brad, I mean, tinuna mo kasi yung friendship nyo, walang masama dyan, tao tayo. You go to work every day, you develop relationships, diba, with people. Hindi ka naman siguro umiinom ng anesthesia pag umaga para pag gumasid ka, pagpasok ng kusina. You are going to develop a friendship. Magkakaroon ka dyan ng buddy-buddy, di ba yung lunch buddy mo, iba yung kasabay mo sa pag-uwi. But it doesn't mean sila yung dahilan why you go to work every day. Bonus lang yan, Brad. Hindi sila ang dahilan kung bakit nasa opisina ka. Di ba?
Siguro din si Papa Jack, yung expectations ko sa kanya na that time na nag-iwan ako sa kanya ng work.
Alam mo, honestly, Chong, ano naman yan kumbaga, hindi nila kasalanan kung di nila ginawa Hindi niya kasalanan. Kasi trabaho mo yan Iniwan mo sa kanya, nakakainis lang di niya ginawa. Pero trabaho mo yan.
Yun nga kasi nga Papa Jack, yung parang sorry, di ba, kung...
No. You cannot take it against that person. Ang magiging downside lang yan, hindi na kayo friends. Di ba?
Yun nga
Pero para siyang maging accountable sa dapat result na sa'yo manggagaling, wala. Gunggong ka.
Hindi naman, Papa Jack.
O di ako na yung gunggong. Tatlo kami
Kapag
dito.
hindi naman ganun, kasi nag-expect kasi ako sa kanya.
Ayun nga sinasabi ko, yun, doon ka nang gagaling Nag-expect ako sa'yo, hindi mo ginawa. Oo, tama, mali nga, hindi niya ginawa. Di ba? Pero ipagpalagay mo, di ba, ipagpalagay mo dun sa part na ikaw yung, boss.
Inutusan.
Ikaw yung inutusan. Matutuwa ka ba pag ang sagot sa'yo ni Poby? Kasi pinagawa ko sa iba Walang pakialam yung opisina mo dyan. Ang makikita na opisina mo, hindi nagawa, period.
Kasi ganito yung Papa Jack, yung hindi ka naman binubuhat yung sarili kong bangko, pero parang gano'n na din na,
kasi wait lang, para matapos tayo. Kasi alam mo na pag sa'yo binilin, gagawin mo. Tama?
kapag ka sa kanila binilin, kapag ka umingi siya sa akin ng tulong,
Tama. Pag sa'yo nakiusap,
naririnig sa akin.
At kaya nga, pag sa'yo nakiusap, kahit sino, gagawin mo. Tama.
Exactly. O, ganun talaga.
That's the point. Hindi naman ikaw sila At hindi sila ikaw. Ang gulo nun Parang-guess mo na yun.
Hindi, guess ko yun.
Ako hindi. Ako nagsabi. So, Brad, you cannot blame it on them. Kasi, what you don't realize, kayong mga nagpapasa ng trabaho at yung mga pinagpapasahan mo ng obligasyon na pinakiusapan, kayo mismo nagko-compete kayo sa bawat isa. Di ba?
Yun nga
Kayo mismo nagko-compete kayo sa bawat isa. Di ba?
Sila lang, hindi ako.
Brad, maniwala ka sa akin, unconsciously you do that. Pag I'm sure, pag may naunang na-promote, iba na nauna ka ng 10 taon at na-promote yung 6 months pa lang, diba? Nararamdaman mo na dapat ikaw yung na-promote.
Exactly.
You are competing with these people and do not mistaken that, diba, with the friendship that you want to have with them.
Okay.
Pasensya ka na, this is your fault, diba? Kasi pag ako may pinagbili na ba't di ko nagawa, isa lang sagot ko sa'yo. Bakit? Trabaho ko ba yan? Period. O, ano ka? Mali ka na kagad. Bungol. Nagigets kita, naiintindihan kita. Naiintindihan ko na masama loob mo dahil nagbilin ka and you have a family emergency. Naiintindihan ko yung part na yun. There's nothing wrong with that. Diba? But you cannot blame it on them pag hindi nagawa. Trabaho mo yan Diba? Okay, this is one thing that my boss told me. Put your name or your mark in everything you do. Have a sense of ownership. Alright? Kasi lahat ng gagawin mo, resulta niya nakadugtong sa pangalan mo. Kung pangit yan, kaya ikaw ang tumapos o hindi. Kung pangit yan, nakadugtong sa pangalan mo yan. Kung maganda yan, diba? Pangit o hindi yan, o sana maganda, ikaw ang gumawa o hindi, kung maganda yan, nakadugtong sa pangalan mo yan. It will be under your name. It will reflect on your performance. O diba? It wasn't accomplished. Tama?
Yes.
O, whether you have a very bad excuse or wala, Brad, ang makikita ng boss mo, hindi natapos at sa'yo nakadelegate yan. You cannot blame it on other people. It's a lesson na kailangan matutunan.
Yun nga, siguro
Next time, huwag ka magtaki ng mataas. Huwag ka magtaki ng mataas. At kumalma ka. At higit sa lahat, Brad, if you can no longer work with people that you work with right now, pack your things and go. Diba? Hindi ka naman kawalan ng kumpanya. Honestly, maraming papalit sa'yo.
Oo naman.
Diba?
Next tayo sa next problem, Sir Papa Jack.
Ha?
Una tayo sa sunod na problema, gusto mo.
Pagod na kami, may bisita ko dito sila. May mga dumating na choir, may mga dumating na downline.
Magdi-discuss ka
May
pa.
may mga beneficiary nandito.
Ay, ito Papa Jack
Meron din
pala.
mga donors.
Ito pala Papa Jack, regarding dun sa
Oh.
yung friend ko kasi, na-involve siya doon sa isa naming friend na na naging anong tawag dito?
Hindi ko alam.
Nakinasal na siya.
Married.
2 years ago.
Okay.
Married na siya.
Okay, stop.
7 years na. Ah.
Okay, this is a problem of somebody else, right?
Yeah, pero
Okay,
kinukunik ako ng
I do not
asawa eh.
I do not want to talk about other people's problem, and I want to exercise the same thing. If it's not
Okay.
your problem, keep your mouth zipped.
Yun na nga, Papa Jack, kahit na ikinukunik ako ng babae, ng asawa ng kaibigan ko, kasi yung friend kong girl and
Oh.
boy, sila yung nagkaroon ng relationship, tapos yung boy yung married na.
Brad, I will not comment on that. Una-una, we are not even sure kung itong mga tao itong gusto nilang pag-usapan sila on air. That's disrespectful sa buhay nila. It's not our story. Huwag natin pakialaman.
Pero di ba tama naman, Papa Jack, ang sinabi ko sa asawa na personal na buhay ng kaibigan ko yun, wala akong pakialam doon.
Dapat di ka nag-reply. Di ba? Kasi sa reply mo, para mong inamin na meron. Bungol.
Kasi,
Di ba?
yung naging alibay kasi ng kaibigan ko, yung netbook ko kasi pinaayos ko. Then, yun ang naging alibay niya para magkaroon ng
Magkano na ang netbook ngayon?
Ay, wala kang pambili, Papa Jack. Alam mo naman.
Hindi ba sinasanla ako dito kasi? Oo, alam mo, lahat ng kabuhayan pinapasok. Pagkatapos ka ng concert sa Araneta, kinabukasan, magkaka-car-wash muna ako. Ano naman ako, kabuhayan.
Ano?
Huwag natin pag-usapan yan. Di ba,
Ay, yung ex
magno
ko.
ko,
Yung ex ko.
ex mo na yan, huwag mo nang isipin. Hindi ka na mahal. Kasi kung mahal ka, nagbalikan kayo.
Yun na nga, Papa Jack, eh. After 9 months, nagkabalikan kami. Then after almost 1 month, then nag-break din kami.
O, di hindi na kayo, tapos. Ano pag-usapan natin? Ay, break kayo.
Ano?
Wala.
May,
Wala.
may konti. O, di wala.
Di
naman
wala.
na.
O, pa.
Para ano? Para may tama ka na.
Alam mo, ganyan na, ano. Yung ugali mo. Ito, nakikiramdam ako sa'yo eh.
Apa.
Alam mo, I take it from you, ano, na dependable ka when it comes to, ano, to workloads, ano. Siguro nga, skillful ka sa trabaho. Ba't yung trabaho mo, atribida ka eh. Minsan, ma-overshadow yan eh. Minsan ma-overshadow ng ugali mo yung performance mo. Right?
Yes.
Oo. Minsan ma-overshadow nung attitude mo, yung skills mo. Diba?
Oo.
Oo.
Napapansin
Tandaan mo
ko
ha,
yung Papa Jack.
tandaan mo na itong mga kaopisina mo, hindi mo yung kamag-anak. They don't care whether they lose you as a friend. Wala silang pakialam. Hindi mo relatives yan. Kung kamag-anak mo yung panghihina ka nila, kamag-anak, pinsan mo naman eh, pagbigyan mo na. Hindi mo sila kamag-anak. Di ba? You don't have any relationships with them other than you work together. If you ruin that relationship na civil, dapat professional kayo, wala na, tapos na yan.
Yun nga eh, kasi yung sa akong katrabaho, kasi before
Ikaw, hindi ka nakikinig. Oo ka nang oo sa akin, pa nakikinig ka ba? Sabat ka, sabat, tampalin na kita.
Hindi kasi,
Hindi ka nakikinig! Tumigil ka na!
meron pa. Sorry naman, huwag ka nang sumigaw yung puso mo.
Ano ka ba, normal sa amin? Pag Ilocano, ganyan lang talaga. Normal namin kahit nga magbayad ng jeep, ganyan kami. Manong bayad? Saan to? Cubao! Saan? Cubao! Sa may area na Coliseum! Ganun sa amin. Normal yun. Ilan? Dalawa, ho!
Hindi. Hindi ko kasi katrabaho.
Sukli ko,
Papa Jack.
please. Ganun.
Kapag yung ina-update na yung status ko ngayon ng mga accounts namin, pagka dati kasi trabaho niya, lagi niyang pinapamukha sa akin na mali yung gawa ko. Kaya siguro naging ako sa trabaho ko na kailangan kong gawin yung best ko. Para ipamukha ko sa kanya na ito yung trabaho
Okay,
ko na.
shut up. Wait lang.
Okay.
Ganun na, ano? Do your best because you are not competing with other people, because it's the best version of what you can do. And it's your output. Personal mo yan, Brad. Di ba? Wag mo i-compete yung ginagawa nila. Bakit? Magsama ka lumaki sa isang bahay? Pinsan mo sila? Di ba? Hindi ba? Sorry Brad ha.
Oo naman, Papa Jack.
You are your best competition. To be honest with you, you are your own critic.
Okay.
I will share I will share to you, mga kaibigan, a standard I practice every day. Para alam mo ha. Okay. May mga araw na pag nag-absent ako, di ba, wala si Papa Jack, which is very rare. Hindi na wala, mga kaibigan. Ha? Nagmamayabang ko yung record ko sa pag-leave. First 10 years ko, wala pang 10 times ako nag-leave. Ganun ako kasi pag pumasok. At, di ba, na-realize ko lang yan nung 10 taon na ako. Di ba, hindi utang na loob ng kumpanya sa akin yan. Pwede mo umalis dito eh. At mag-leave eh. Wala namang malulugi. Pero hindi ko ginagawa. Bakit? Because accomplishment ko sa sarili ko yan. Di ba? Hindi dahil ibang tao may pinagpapakitang gilas ako. Sarili mo yan, Brad. Your own competition. Every night, mga kaibigan, I gauge my colors. Kaya pag nandito ka sa booth, makikita mo may nire-rate ako dito. Pag may kausap ako, lalagyan ko ng rating yan. Yung mga nire-rate ko, sila yung pwede ko i-replay. Pag wala ako, ibig sabihin, it's a good call. Pero pag alam ko, pag nakikinig ka sa bahay, may mga araw na tawa ka na ng tawa dyan. Pero para sa akin, sobrang taas ng standard ko sa callers ko, minsan hindi ko pa siya pang replay. Bakit? Walang sustansya, tumawa lang kami. Ganun eh. Diba? And walang nagbigay sa akin ng standard na yan. I have my own standards at wala akong pakialam, diba? Kung eto may
Quality ka.
Diba? Ako yung mismong quality control ko.
Yeah.
Diba? So wag mo sabihin sa akin, brother, na Papa Jack, nasanay akong to give my best sa keme-keme ganito kasi may nang lalait sa akin, merong ganito. Chong, stupid yan. Stupid.
Hindi parang
o, di wag ka makinig.
Ko.
Kunyari,
Hindi naman pa.
alam mo,
motivation ko siya.
Alam mo, yan ugali niyan. See?
Bakit?
Wala nung umpisa kanina, meron kang pinakinggan sa akin. Yung totoo ha?
Meron naman pa.
Wala. You always give out your opinion. You called my show, you wanted to hear something from me na maybe can be helpful to you. May pinakinggan ka ba? No, shut up. You correct me on what I tell you. I mean, if there's anything, if there's nothing, I mean, I can tell you and there's nothing I can add sa kung alam mo na there's no point you even ask me. Wala kang pinapakinggan. You tell me no. Hindi po, ganito po yan. Anong point tumawag ka? Gusto mo sumikat? Pumunta ka Showtime, kumain ka doon. Diba, lalapitan ka ni Karil. Tapos i-interview ka, sikat ka na. Abangan mo sugod bahay ka kung nasaan sila. Diba, lapitan mo si ano. Diba, si Jose. Diba, lumapit ka kay Lola ni Dora. Makikita ka, sikat ka na.
Hindi Nanong naman din yung Papa Jack yung ano mo sa akin na
Diba, meron bang part ng usapan na to? Ang narinig ko sa yung opo, I appreciate that. I realize it. Meron ba? Wala. Di ba, you always give your version. Kaya mo palang payuhan sarili mo, tumawag ka pa dito.
Hindi naman Papa Jack.
That's the point. That's the point. You don't even stop now. See? Look at your attitude. Alam mo ako, boss, masisipaking kita. Honestly, you are just a negative mole in the office.
Okay.
Brad, if you're doing an extraordinary job, okay, umasok ka. Di ba? Asset ka. There are only 2 types of employees in the company. One is liability and the other one is an asset. Tanong mo sarili mo, ano ka? Di ba?
Apo.
You are being a liability to you, di ba? Alangan naman maniwala ako sa'yo na lahat ng tao sa paligid mo ay mali at ikaw ang tama.
Ay, hindi naman.
That's the point and that's what you want to defend. Di
Sorry,
ba?
Papa Jack.
Huwag ka mag-sorry, di ba ako boss? Di kita i-hire.
Hindi naman.
Di ba dahil wala akong kumpanyang ganyan malaki? Pinapagod mo ako! Pinapasigaw mo ako, may concert kami bukas.
Kaya nga Papa Jack, sabi ko, blessed din ako at Papa
Pag
Jack.
sumapit ako bukas sa kanta, pumunta ka sa inyo, tatampolin kita ng pinong-pino.
Kaya ngayon din yung regret ko Papa Jack na na basta-basta na lang mag-quit. Kasi blessed ako na kahit paano sa isang stable company naman din ako. And I'm happy for that. Yun lang talaga naging ano ko talaga is parang nagkaroon tayo ng miscommunication with my coworkers. Kaya yun nga siguro.
Nagkaroon ka lang kami dito kasi alam mo, lahat ng opisina magalit sa'yo.
Ay, hindi naman. Naano ko lang ako Papa Jack sa...
Alam mo, the fact na naramdaman mo na may mga ataong ayaw sa'yo, ibig sabihin, na iparamdam na sa'yo. Ano pa kaya yung walang kibulang?
Yun nga
Diba?
Papa Jack, kaya kaya minsan mas gusto kong tahimik na lang ako kung mag-isa. Parang inano ko sabi ko, parang nagpapaka-lone di ako masyado.
So, honestly, you are not there. Diba? To have friends. Ang kulit mo naman eh.
Kaya
ano ko mag-isa ka? Ano ko mag-isa ko kumain ng saging sa lunch? Papakaya naman tao. You go to your work every day, you finish your job, you go home, tapos. Diba? Usapang bobo to eh. Sa lahat na kayo ko yung ganito, usapang bobo. Di ba? Yung,
Kaya-
naiintindihan mo yung sinasabi ko, alam ko naiintindihan mo, but you're trying to find another version, baka maging tama ka. Sorry, kausap mo ako. Di ba? If you're being difficult, I am more difficult than you.
Yun nga po, Papa Jack. Sa ano kaya yung point mo talaga dun sa ano, sa relationship sa kanila?
You see what you do? You don't say yes, you confirm me. You see what you do? You don't shut up! Di ba? Na parang, tinawagan mo ako, I'm telling you things, you obviously agree, but you don't say yes. Di ba? You confirm, tama ka na, parang ino-audition mo ako.
Ay, hindi pa.
Exactly the point!
Sorry na, Papa Jack.
Sige na, pinapatawad, hindi ka na ihag mo na ako. Kita ka.
Salamat, Papa Jack.
Yakapin kita mahigpit, hindi ka makakahingalaw.
Sinasakal.
Oo, sahaling kita.
Huwag naman. Wala na nga akong ka-date sa 14 tapos
Ay,
sasakal
ugali
mo
yan,
pa
Brad.
ako.
Bata, walang banggitan ng pangalan ha. Ito, para lang
Apa.
ma-realize nyo, I will try to simplify this. Alright? Sa
Okay po.
industriya, showbiz, marami dyan. Ang dami-dami. Ang gagaling ng talent. May
Mhm.
attitude, walang karir.
Yes.
Alam mo yan.
Apo.
Pero meron dyan. Ang pinapan mo, wala na ba talaga? Pero ang bait niyan, may karir.
Mm-mm.
Di ba?
Yes.
You don't need to befriend a lot of people, di ba? Para magawa mo yung trabaho mo. But it's a ticket. Ticket mo yan para komportable ka, kampante ka na gawin trabaho mo.
Apo.
Huwag kang aso. Di ba? Sorry mga kaibigan ha. May mga empleyado rin ng kumpanya na sobrang pangit na ugali pero sobrang galing.
Mm-mm.
Di ba? Ikaw ba yon?
Hindi, Papa Jack.
Wala, hindi ko ka makinaso.
Hindi,
Kung
syempre,
ikaw yun,
Papa.
bro, di ba yung...
Ah, okay.
Oh, di ba? Okay yan, di ba? Oh, yan, grabe. Alam mo yan, yan Poby na yan? Ay, naku, grabe. Ang laswaan sa mga ugali, ang bantot ng pag-ugali niyan. Pero ang galing niya. Tama, di ba?
Yes.
Eh, hindi eh. Ikaw ba yun? Hindi ka... alam mo yan, hindi natapos yung report at bakit pa naugali? O, ano ka? Ano, iingatan ka nila? Hindi ka nila kamag-anak.
Okay po. At least alam ko na yung separation ng ng work and then yung friendship, yung relationship.
Sige na.
Ay, thank you, Papa Jack.
Sorry ka sa boss mo.
Sa boss
Sa
ko.
ulo. Oh, honestly ah.
Oo nga po, sa boss ko.
Bilis.
Sa boss ko, sorry kung masyadong pabibo or
Sa'yo
masyadong...
galing yan, di ko sinabi yan.
Oo naman po. Masyadong pabibo. Pero honestly saying, masaya ako kasi may trust ka sa akin. Then, di ba parang kapag may mga concern ka din, kahit paano, lumalapit ka sa akin. So, thank you sa trust, tiwala, and then sa pagtulong din. Siyempre, daily, then hindi ka mahirap lapitan. Ayun, kapag ka may concern. So, thank you. Okay na pa ba, Jack? Okay na.
Sa bang opisina mo?
Sa mga ka-opisina ko, siguro lang, kung nakikinig kayo, sana magkaroon na ng initiative na,
Oh!
sorry.
So,
Magkaroon ng
magmimensahe ka sa kanila pero sila may gagawin.
hindi naman.
Kakasabi mo lang.
Equal.
Halika dali. Tapampaling kita.
Okay, sorry.
Lapit. Tapampaling kita ngayon.
Sa mga katrabaho ko, yun, enjoy lang sa ginagawa natin.
Ganda, gusto mo rin eh. Sa mga katrabaho ko, I will be a positive vibes office natin. Yan, see you.
Yan. Sa mga ka-office mo, I will be a positive vibes sa office.
Walang S. Vibe lang. Isa ka lang.
Vibe.
Dalawa ka ba?
Napaisip ako. Ako lang mag-isa din sa office, Papa Jack. Natakot ako. Yun. So, enjoy lang natin yung work natin. Then, Kasi kumonti na tayo. So, mahirap dahil sobrang bulto ng trabaho. Pero alam ko na malalagpasan natin to kasi still meron pa rin naman tayong love sa work natin. Kasi hindi dahil kailangan natin, kundi dahil mahal din talaga natin yung trabaho natin. Enjoy lang natin. And hopefully na mga bata pa tayo eh. Tayo lang pala. So hopefully na maabot natin yung mga dreams natin pare-pareho. Yan lang. Okay na yung Papa Jack.
Halika na, iho.
Wala ka na Papa Jack love, yung may sulat-sulat tapos binabasa mo. Ano yun?
Meron naman akong binabasang sulat pa rin gabi-gabi.
Pero yung...
Off-air lang.
Off-air.
Ito lang sa booth. Kasi kami lang nakakarinig. Kabalik yan, promise.
Okay. Inaantay ko yun.
Pag di ka nakikinig. Maraming salamat sa iyong pagtawag.
Maraming salamat, Papa Jack.
Pasensya ka na, intense ako sa iyo, ha?
Okay lang, Papa Jack. At least, di ba, may natutunan naman ako. May nalaman naman akong magandang tip.
Salamat sa pagtawag.
Thank you, Papa Jack.
Bye-bye.
Happy Valentine's. Bye-bye.
Yan. Sa mga single, happy Valentine.
Yes. Enjoy lang kahit na walang partner.
Sa mga jowa, hindi na kailangan batiin. Masaya na yan. Sige,
At sa mga Beatles, sabi nila maghihiwalay din sila.
Tinan mo kasama na galing eh.
Joke lang yung Papa Jack.
Sige na, salamat sa pagtawag.
Thank you, Papa Jack.
Alam niyo mga kaibigan, minsan sa tao yan. May mga pagkakataon na biktima ka ng sarili mo. May mga komedyante na pag nagbitaw ng linya, para lang, hindi ko paano tayo kukunik. May mga komedyante na pag nagbitaw ng linya, tawan-tawa ka. Yung linya na yun, pabitawan mo sa ibang tao na hindi komedyante, hindi ka matatawa. Diba? Parehong linya. Nasa tao kasi. Nakarelate tuloy ako bigla. Ako yung ganyan, masakit sa ulo dito. Joke lang to, diba? Bait ko kaya. Diba, sir, no? Ay, nako. Ligayang body po sa lahat. Ay, nako. Happy listening daw to Miss Precious Pestano, Denise and Selena Lopez and Darwin Dionisio from Papa J. Mayuga. Si Orpa, yan. Orpa, all the stress. Orpa. Nakanta ba sila ni Wiwoy, Kim, and Orpa. Thank you. And, ito? Sino to? Wala! Hindi ko nakasave pa number. Sorry, hindi nakasave na. Alright mga kaibigan, I'm going to play a few songs now. Kalma lang ako. O yan o. Gaya niyan. Yung call ni Kuya, pang-replay. Ang sustansya. Ay nako. Kabati nga muna ako nang matapos itong ano. Dear Papa Jack, good luck sa concert mo bukas. HB Hans. Ano to? Pwede na to? Kayo po? Yung batang nandito. Thank you! Wala na akong choice. Bayad na ako. Kailangan ko dumating. Pag-greet naman po sila Lito, Ray, Haina, Andeng, Bensay, Suzette, Maylin, and to all the, ano to? 6 ba? 6 Newtons students in Aurora A. Quezon Elementary School. Hello po sa inyo. Pag-greet naman po sila at, wala pa, ano, may at na? 3-Peace, batch 2009-2010, Family Almendra, Family Credo, Mrs. Gloria Montero at sa mama ko Rowena Almendra, love you ma. Hi sa mga student officers ko sa TIP Manila, Architecture sa ARC-DSC, Architecture Department, Student Council, at sa mga kalase ko dati sa Mapua, sabi ni JR. Hello po sa TIP yan, sa nakaantabay ngayon. Hello kay Sir Marco Antonio Subion. Bubuo ah. Mahal na mahal ka namin from College of Business Education and Department Student Council. Hello din kay Ate Osang. Sorry na una akong nakita si Papa Jack may contest. Talaga yan? Talaga ako, may contest pala sa akin. Si Roxanne ganda. Oh, ayusin mo yung buhay mo ha. Tatay Eggy, Tatay Rodel, Kuya Choi, Kuya, ayan, Jerome? Jerome yan? Jerome? Ha? Hindi Jerome? Jerome. Sosyal, oh. Ito na naman tayo sa... Si Jerome ay pinsan ni Juicy. Kamag-anak ni Johnson na bispray ni Jonathan. Jerome. Kuya Ryan from Sikat Family. Hello po ha sa mga choir ng Malate Church. Tama ba? Ayan, dito po yung dalawa dito na kambal. Ay! Ayun lang naman kambal doon, di ba? Na magpapakat sana kami ng kanta, may choir dito, ay wag na lang. Iniiwasan ako magkakakanta pag may singer sa paligid ko. Malalait ako. Sabihin sa, ay wala sa key. Eh kasi naman kumakanta ako linggo-linggo sa Padis, pag lasing naman sila, eh naman. Nakainom sila eh. Maganda pag kumanta ka sa lasing, di ba? Pagpasok mo pa lang, di ba? Kamukha mo si Nicole Kidman. Ang galing ng bata na to, gano'n. Eh lasing kasi. Ang gano'n. Si Mother Loy Villarama, ayan. Mother Loy! Are the very good mother of all the weddings. Hello, say. Oh. And I love you. I miss you. Manood ka bukas, supportahan mo. Ha? Si Tita G ay may Tita G, get well. Di sa mga daw bukas ay meron siyang flu. Alam ko naman na pagkaya mo, pupunta ka. Ikaw pa. But I will pray for you, nagbabaling ka na kagad. Ha? Pag pagaling ka, hindi maganda ang may sakit, nakaka-strays, tignan. Sabi Mother Loy, sold out na yata. Wag kang bumili ka na. Wag kang dyan, magdahilan. Si Miss Jackie. Ba naman number niya ito? Dami number niya itong babaeng to, no? Jackie. Save ko nga ito. Jackie. Saan yung pa number mo? Yan. Yung phone book ko, yung mga pangalan, double-double na. Kasi kada isa-save mo siya, mag-iibang. May pangalan dito, Richard Licup. Parang yung entry ng pangalan niya, parang 37 na Richard Licup. Pag kailangan ko siya i-text, alin doon ang number niya. Diba? Sinaman eh. Pero buti naman yung Cherry Mobile ko hindi ganyan. Oo. Ganda. Kasi tatanong ka ng Cherry Mobile eh. Do you want to combine, di ba, under one name, two numbers, kemi na lang. Concern. Saying hi to my Cherry Mobile family. Go to www.cherrymobile.com.ph para malaman, di ba, ninyo kung ano yung magandang telepono para sa inyo. Alright, mga kaibigan, ang cherrymobile.com.ph. Andiyan po yung mga latest na gadgets, phones. Alright? Ano ba to? Ito yung latest ay yung Flare Selfie. Yan, Flare Selfie, mga kaibigan. Personally yours, your most personal phone yet. The new Flare Selfie was built to understand you, to know you better in the most ingenious way. Once you touch it, you have to own it. Flare Selfies is the only phone who will understand you, who will say, yes, I understand you. For only 7,999 pesos, mga kaibigan. 5-inch and HD IPS display, fingerprint scanner, 16 megapixel rear and front camera, tapos 3,000, ano ba to? mAh, ano to? Milliampere ba to? Yan yung battery. Battery yan, di ba, no? Ako rin, tanga-tanga ako siya. LTE ready at meron siyang turbo download. Naku, may mga dinadownload lang pero mo naman internet. Talaga? May turbo Naku, Cherry Mobile, kaya niyo ako papadalahan niya. Ano na? Kailangan kong dalawa kami ni Charles. Hello, ba't yung Cherry Mobile ko? Gusto ko yung 7,000 katabi ka sa stage. Ba't sa Madrid? Sub ka, please. Ang tickets mga kaibigan, ito yung mga prices. 200, 400, 700, 1,525, 3,000, 3,500. Right? Ito yan. Ako may binibenta ako 5,000 sa stage yung nakaupo. Pakalat ka sa tabi ng mga dancers. Excuse me ha, sayaw po yung maneuvers. So, hindi alam to ng production na nagbibenta ako. Joke lang. 200, 400, 700, 1,525, 3,000, 3,500. Mga kaibigan, it's a good way to date someone tomorrow evening. It's my first time for such an event. Mga kaibigan. Nag-iintablado ako linggo-linggo. I go to Paddy's Point every weekend. I play. Diba? I play my kwan. Play guitar. Every weekend. I finger the string. Tama, ano magamit ko sa ilong? Di ba? Pero yung ganito kalaki, oo, yung ganito kalaking event, ba mga kaibigan? Pero last week, sa Arneta Coliseum ako sa gilid sa labas. Sa Paddy's Point. Oo. Tinry ko nga sumigaw dun sa loob I love you, Arneta! Sabi ko, yung mga tao busy nagkakwentuhan lang. May joke lang. May video ko dyan sa Facebook ko. Ang saya. Milliampere daw yun. Alam ko naman Tinatry ko lang kung alam nyo. Diba alam, ampere, diba? Unit of measurement for energy. Alam mo yan. Basta science, alam mo. Diba? Hindi nga, alam nyo ba? Eto hindi ko alam kung anong totoo pero hindi daw totoo yung natutunan natin na maliit tayo na si Benjamin Franklin ay nagpalipad ng saranggola at tinamaan yung rod sa saranggola. Diba? Hindi daw totoo yan. Kasi oo nga, bakit makakapalipad ka sa saranggola umuulan pala? Oo nga. Pero para ma-demonstrate, di ba? Na pwede siyang tumagos ang kuryente ron. Yun yung kwento. Hindi ako sure. Baka nga totoo yung kwento. Yan yun Di ba? Oh. Pero totoo yung ito, confirm to. Nung na-invento ni Charles Goodyear, yung goma, he was trying to invent plastic bags. Nasobrahan niya yung formulation, matigas yung kinalabasan. He was able to invent rubber. Diba? After few decades, diba? Si Dunlop naman naka-invento ng gulong para sa anak niya. Tapos surgeon siya. Siya ay doktor. Kaya doktor ako nang gumawa ng gulong. Galing ko, no? Hindi ako sure Ito. Kaibigan, kulit ko. Mga kaibigan, ito muna from Dingdong Abansado. Ayan, dumating na kayo bukas sabi ni Jay Mayuga, ito na naman, milliampere hour daw. Kita mo, tama si Jay Mayuga. Yung ampere na nag-consume per time. Nako-consume per time. Ganon. So, ang nako-consume niya hayaan mo na nga, Jay. Hayaan mo na. Panggulo ka rin. Ganun makulit. Hindi ko alam paliwanag. Tinext niya ako. Kumbaga kilometers per hour. Eto naman, milliampere per hour. Pwede, no? Oo. Yung nako-consume. Ang gulo, yaman na. Inis lang ko sarili ko, hindi ko maintindihan. Ay, nako. Mga kaibigan, I'm playing one good set of OPM. Yung dulo nito ay paborito kong kanta. Isa sa mga paborito ko lately, yung awiting Yayain kita. Hindi ganun yung tono mo. Hindi ba ko na naman? Ako play ako na. Ano ba ang kinis niyo yung bondo? Sabi niyo, binawag yung kanta. I'm playing your song, Pops, and I love your song. Awiting Yaya. Pero ito muna, from Dingdong Abansado, ang awiting Walang Kapalit. Para sa mga martir, sa mga tatanga-tanga, ito team song nyo. Ang Valentine's daw ay hindi mo nasaktan. Ito daw yung araw ng mga bobo. Ano ba ito makakulit nyo? Sorry na! Sa mga single, Happy Valentine! Ang oras mga kaibigan sa mga Bulacan, got 30 minutes after 12 o'clock. Good morning, Saturday! It's D-Day, mga kaibigan. It's D-Day. Oh, sabi ko D-Day, hindi D-Day. D-Day. Ito rin yung araw na kung saan. Sabado na, di ba? Oo. Eh, mamaya na po yung concert ng panahon ng may tama sa akin at ako you, mga kaibigan. Maraming salamat in advance. Thank you po. Papa Jack, sabi niya to, bumili ako ng ticket, Papa Jack, sa Comic League, pero mga anak ko, layo ko Germany, sayang, sabi dito. Maraming salamat. Thank you po. Congrats in advance for the upcoming concert from Rogel. Maligayang pakikinig po. Thank you. From us here in Ino Industries, Osaka, Japan. 4D Pardres Nonoy, Harold, EJ, and Rogel. Maligayang pakikinig po. Maligayang pakikinig po sa inyo lahat, sa mga nagpapabati. Habol ko lang sa aking Viber may pag-greet naman, Sir Howard. Yung mga pabati naman sa office ng anak ko, Janine, Hazel, Ann, PLDT, Sisom, Night Shift, Shadel, De La Peña, Julie Sanyano, Chais Calo, from Ma'am Jody and Sir Howard. Maligayang bati po. Pabati naman pabati ako for my very lovable wife, Dixie. Happy Valentine's Day from Ronald de Luna. Ang sweet sila. Training time. Wala bang Hello po, ayan, sa IPG Photonics. Maligayang pakikinig po. Maligayang pakikinig sa inyo lahat. Yung mga hindi ko pa nababati, huwag na kayo magalit, Mobile Car 414 on board, PO1 Raka, PO1 Salamanca, PO3 Cordova, PCI Michael Garcia, Police Chief Inspector yan, di ba? Tama ba ako? Ayan. Michael Garcia ng Central Market Police Station 3 from Ogie the Policeman. Hello po mga kaibigan. And kay Cecil, tsaka kay Iya, tsaka yung kaibigan ng Barat. Maligayang bati po. Yung mga taga-NBI, sir, yung anak mo nandito kasama jowa. Basa buhok nila. Ay, hello? Hello?
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Papa Jack.
Oh my God!
Kumusta?
I used to be okay, Diyos.
Oh my God, I can't believe I'm talking to you on the phone.
Yeah, please don't believe it.
Kinakabahan ako.
What's your name?
Marie.
Marie?
Marie, yes.
Okay. I was told your name is Amy.
No, it's Marie.
Okay, yeah, Marie. Because a friend of mine here, Richard, he always, I don't know. Nahirapan ako.
Kinakabahan ako.
Marie, you're 33 and you're calling all day from the US of A, right?
Yes.
What part of the US are you in right now?
I'm in Washington, D.C.
Really?
Yes.
Oh my God! That's fantastic! You're in Washington, D.C.?
Yes.
Oh, what does D.C. means? I mean, I don't know.
Washington is the District of Columbia.
Oh, I thought it's Disney Comics just.
The nation's capital, Papa Jack.
Really?
Yes. Kinakabahan ako, I'm sorry. I'm so nervous talaga.
Me too, I'm so nervous too. We are both nervousness. Yeah.
Papa John, I'm just calling to ask your opinion about my situation.
If you donate, yes, I will tell you my opinion. Yeah,
Magkano ba yan, Papa John?
1.5.
1.5?
Yeah.
Okay, I think kakayanin naman.
Dollars, ha?
No, Papa John. Ay, laki lang Pesos lang.
You know, in the Philippines, there's a what we call the mandatory donation.
Mandatory donation.
Yeah, you know, I will tell you a story about a mandatory donation. I'm sure we all encountered this. I went to a church lately. Sabi ko church. I went to a church lately, and I was walking towards the church, and a good guy, I think, approached me, and he said, "Hey, brother, this prayer book is for you." And I said, "Oh, really? Thank you. How much?" "No, it's for free." "Really?" "Yeah, it's free, but you have to donate mandatory. 178 pesos. It's a scam. Pero, aminin niyo, may ganyan, di ba? Ayaw kang sabihin, ha? Pinapunta ako ng Manawag.
Oh my, Papa Jack, I listen to your show all the time.
Oh, yeah.
Well, not all the time, but most of the time when I have a chance.
Now, you need to donate more money now. Because
Oh
we
my
listen.
God.
Yeah.
Well, maybe when I go home, maybe I can stop by your station and,
Donate?
and
Oh, you're just kidding. No, you don't have to do it. You don't have to give anything, though. All right, Marie.
Yes.
All right, how long have you been in the U.S.?
Matagal na rin. It's been more than 10 years.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mga 15 years, may 15 years na siguro. Yeah,
Okay.
15 years.
All right. So, what is the job?
I'm in healthcare industry, Papa Jack.
You are a nurse or a physical therapist?
Yes. No, I'm not.
You are a nurse?
No, I'm not.
You're
But
a
I'm-
patient.
No. I'm in healthcare sa management.
Okay.
Sa management
Accounting.
ako. So, not exactly. Health information management.
Okay. All right. Okay. Hindi ako nakarelate.
Excuse
Okay.
me. Papa
Okay.
Jack, kinakabahan ako.
And are you married?
No, I'm single.
Are you ready to mingle? They are single.
Oh. Well, I'm single by choice, but that's why I called you, Papa Jack, kasi I need your opinion po.
All right. Tell me your story before you run out of load.
I know, naku, haba yung yung cellphone bill ko, but it's okay. Anyway, so I've been seeing this guy on and off since I met him. Kailan ba yun? I think 2013. On and off kami, on and off. And,
Filipino rin?
no, he's American.
All right.
So,
What kind of American? Like a pure American or half American or just an American? Diba?
he's a gorgeous American, Papa Jack.
Like blue-eyed American?
No, he's actually a black American.
Oh, like Usher.
Yes. No. More like, Common.
Yeah, that's my uncle.
No, Common. Yeah, Common, yung rapper.
Oh,
Common.
yeah, that's my third cousin.
Oh my God, naman eh.
Nagpamuli ka na. Oh, yeah, all right.
Okay, you know Vin Diesel? He kind of looks like Vin Diesel.
Vin Diesel?
Yeah, but-
Oh my
Yeah.
God.
He is sexy, oh my God. But
You know,
anyway.
I
that's
watch
besides-
Vin Diesel like Triple X.
But Mama Jack, that's besides the point. But
Okay.
so I've been seeing this guy on and off. Because I just feel like every time I don't know how to start the story. Well, I mean, I dated him for a few months. 2013, a few months. I tried to make it work. Pero I feel like, I don't know, maybe I have so much expectation or hindi ko nakikita na he's really like putting an effort to make the relationship work. So, every time na may ginagawa siya na I don't like na, yun, I mean, that's it, I give up. Like,
All
I'm
right.
done.
Okay, hold on. Are you together right now?
Well, this is the thing about Jack. He contacted me on New Year's Day,
All right.
and, sabi niya, let's try again. Sabi
Okay.
niya, we didn't really try to.
Yeah, but that
we
was
didn't
New
really
Year's
try-
Day. That was like a month and a half
that
ago.
Was just that was just last month. So
Yeah.
he contacted me. Sabi ko, you know what? I'm really tired of this going back and forth. Kasi sabi ko sa kanya, I feel like walang yung relationship namin. It's just, we just keep on starting. We're not really building anything kasi we're just starting and walang pinatutunguhan kasi I feel like I just don't see the effort. So anyway, when he contacted me noong New Year, sabi niya, let's try again. Just give us a chance. Sabi niya, it feels like we didn't really try to make it work as far as, long term. Sabi ko, so nag-isip ako, sabi ko, oh my God, sabi ko, you know what? We've been doing this, 3 years now? I've known you for 3 years now. And the same thing, it's just a cycle. We keep going back and forth. So, but anyway, I thought about it. Sabi ko, yeah, maybe I didn't on my part. Sabi ko, maybe I didn't try either. Kasi every time na, he disappoint me, yeah, I'll be like, okay, you know what, I'm done. So, sabi ko, maybe this time I will really try to understand him.
Okay,
or-
you did not answer my question. I was just
What's the
asking you, are you together right now?
No, we're not. We're dating right now.
You are not dating. You are flirting. Because you are ex-lovers. You're just there for the benefit of having each other, like physiologically. And you know exactly what I mean.
Oh my God. So, well, officially, no. So, sabi niya sa akin, so are you my girlfriend? Sabi ko, you know what, Mama Jack, she said that before, like, we're together, don't entertain anybody, but hindi ko naman nafe-feel na, you really want to make this relationship work. So, I don't
Okay,
know.
hold on. Okay. All right. Can I tell you your own story? It would make sense if you
Yeah.
hear from other people, for someone else, all right? From someone
Okay,
else.
okay.
Okay, here you are
Okay.
asking me about a guy who's been your ex-boyfriend, right? Now your ex-boyfriend, right? You broke up quite a while ago, and you still talk and see each other, right? But the bottom line is
Well,
But the bottom line is you are no longer together. You are not the girlfriend.
No.
He is not the boyfriend, and you allow the guy
Right.
to bother you, right?
Well, kasi sabi niya kasi, let's work it out again. So, let's
It doesn't matter if you keep on trying to tell each other let's work it out again, but look at what you have right now. You are not okay. If it's true that you've been trying to work it out, and the two of you been wanting to work it out, it's not working out. Maybe it's not meant to be.
Oh my God, maybe.
See,
Kasi,
galing ko.
to be honest, Papa Jack, I feel like, sabi ko, in my heart, sabi ko, I'm really attracted to this guy. He looks good in papers, everything. He's like, but
He's a good catch.
he is
He's a good catch, but not a good partner to you.
not a good partner. Yeah.
Yeah, that's the bottom line. I mean, if you just want a good catch, go to the ocean and catch whale. Ano daw? Ano daw?
So you think well, so you think it's not gonna work? Kasi yeah, you're right. You do have a point. Kasi hello, 2013. I met you 2013, and we're still on this thing here right now. Like still the same thing. Walang pinatutungo.
Ganito, ano? Alright, just to give you a general idea of what a guy should be in your life, alright? Okay, here's the thing. It doesn't make you a lesser Filipina whether you've been living in the US for 15 years. You still have our culture.
Yes, I think that's one of the main
That's
issues.
the main reason why you're calling the show tonight, because you care about what you and this guy have together, right?
Yes.
But the thing is, if you are partners and one of the two of you has been trying to work it out and the other one is not cooperating, I guess it will not work. There might be a chance. But if the two of you has been trying to work it out and it's not working out, I mean, there's something wrong. There's something wrong.
Yeah.
It's a different thing when you want to be together and you like each other and you have fallen in love with each other. I guess the falling in love part is not a question anymore. You love each other. You got space in each other's heart, right? You got that. Islam ko tonight, ha? But you love each other, but you are no longer willing to be with each other. You don't like each other anymore. You know, loving someone can be a work. It can be accomplished. You know? Trying to love someone, it's mind setting. You can actually go ahead and fall in love with someone just by deciding to fall in love with someone. You get the point?
Yes.
But liking someone is something that no one can tell you and can dictate you. And you don't like each other anymore. You're just in love. It's a different thing. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, well, see, that's the thing, Papa Jack. Like, there's, oh, it's too complicated. I think this is just too complicated.
You're no longer together. That's the bottom line. When was the last time?
I don't even think we were really officially together. I mean, you know.
You
what
see,
I
that's
mean?
the point. It's never official. I mean, years from now, if people would ask, what did you share together? What would you tell people? What did you guys have together? You were just two people trying to mess around and create chaos in the bedroom, Chos. I mean, you were there because you like each other, but you were never in love. And now you want to fall in love, but you don't like each other anymore.
I do like him. I do, but I feel like
That's the point. I know you like the guy. You like the guy a lot. He's a good catch, right?
Yeah.
But would you want to
Yeah.
take a guy to be a partner, a lifetime partner, if that guy would even have to contemplate to be with you? A guy who cannot reciprocate the love you're giving him?
Yeah, that's true.
See, that's true.
That's
Galing.
true.
Ooh, I'm
Yes, sir.
true.
No, but see, Papa Jack, it's like, I feel like I didn't really try hard enough. So sabi ko, okay, maybe.
Look,
maybe
no. Stop trying to blame yourself,
Okay.
Mary. Because if you keep
Okay.
on telling me that you didn't try hard enough, you wasted how many years of your life trying to be with a guy who cannot officially make your girlfriend. That's so much from your end.
No. Okay, Papa, this is the thing. We were at some point, I think, when was that? Maybe 2013, 14?
Excuse me,
Kinda.
are you contented with just almost being together?
No. We were like, not almost together, but he made it seem like, okay, we are together, but
He made it seem like you were together, but you were not together. Because if you were together, you can tell me right away we were together.
right. That's,
You were just an item, right? That's the thing.
an item.
You were an item. But you were never together.
Never.
Maybe you
Yeah,
dated each other
never.
exclusively. Maybe you are the only girl allowed inside his room. And he's the only guy allowed inside your room. But that's it. Exclusivity, but no commitment.
No commitment.
That's the point. You know what we call that in the Philippines?
What?
We don't call it anything. I don't know.
So, okay, Papa Jack, so here's the bottom line, okay? So, he contacted me, okay. I see your point, I do. And you know what? I'm already thinking the same thing.
Thank you very much for seeing the point because I'm bleeding here. You know, I'm suffering from epistaxis. You know what that is? You know what? Yeah, epistaxis is a scientific medical term
Okay,
for
go ahead.
nosebleeding. It's also known as balingoy.
No, hindi naman ako. Papa Jack, may even speaking English. Nagtatagalog naman ako,
But I want to,
anyway,
Diyos. Ako pala yung pahirap
Okay.
dito.
No, that's okay, Papa Jack. But okay, so here's the bottom line. So should I just cut it off now?
Yeah,
Yes.
that's the easiest yes.
Okay. Kasi even when he contacted me when was that? That was January 1st. So now I'm actually like trying to see kung he's gonna make extra effort. Hindi ko pa rin na-feel. I think what it is that we have, to be honest, I think we are like, it's the physical thing. We are physically attracted to each other.
Can I tell you directly what you guys share?
What?
You are sexually compatible. That's it. I mean, you know how to. You know very well how to pleasure each other. But you've come to a point that you're 33 years old and you want commitment. You want a guy who can be there with you whether you have the ability to make love with him. A guy who take care of you and try to have dreams with you. Wake up with you every day and love even if you're ugly in bed. You love the guy. You'd love to be with that kind of guy, right?
Of course.
And the bottom line is the bottom line is the commitment, and you don't have it. Can I define what's commitment for you?
Yes.
Commitment is when it's difficult to be around someone, but you choose to stay.
True.
Yeah. But the thing is, with your story, he was never there. He wasn't even there officially. He was just a passerby. Ang galing ko.
Kaya ang galing mo.
Yeah.
Para tayo we're both Virgo.
Yeah, ako lang ang magaling, hindi ka kasali.
Okay, fine.
Yung sumasali ko na magka-concert ka din.
Okay, so now it's like I just want to confirm everything. Like, I think I already have an idea what you're going to tell me anyway.
Wala pa, tinagod pa ako. Nag-donate ka na lang.
I know, magbabayad pa ako ng phone bill ko, but
Oh my God, we are so sorry.
No, it's okay. No. Papa Jack, oh my God, so just let it go. Just, I don't think. Yeah,
I don't even know if I have to agree with the word "let it go." He's never yours. How can you let go of someone who's never yours?
I mean, let it go. Like, just don't mess with him anymore. Don't entertain him.
Yeah, live your life with another guy. Try to move forward in life without him by your side. Maybe it would make sense. Maybe it would make a lot of sense for someone else to hurt you if the guy's committed to you. I mean, it's okay. You hurt we hurt people who loves us or who love us, right? It's inevitably people who love us will hurt us. But he's hurting you. He's not even with you. You're not even with him. You're just dating. You're just trying to have sex every time you're free. To be honest with you, that's exactly what you're doing. See, you're laughing because it's true. It's FUBU. It's future bungi. Napagod yung itin. Napanginggan.
Okay, Papa Jack. So, okay. Well, I already know.
Can I try to tell you something before I let you go? Can you please try to feel embarrassed by this? I don't know how to make you feel embarrassed, but it's ang baboy kasi yun. Hindi masabi.
Ang baboy? Ano yung baboy?
Paano ba sabihin? It's a pig, but sorry! Hindi, it's not good because you're the girl. I know you were taking your chances. Every time you allow the guy to be around you, undress you, and reserve yourself exclusively for him. You're hoping that one day you'll be the girl.
Mm-hmm.
Believe me, if he ever loved you, and I would say it again, alright? If he ever loved you, naramdaman mo na yan doon pa. Kasi ugali ng lalaki nagmamahal, babakurang ka niyan.
That's so true.
Pero wala, never mo naramdaman. It was just you exclusively reserving yourself for him, and that's about it. That's it.
Yeah, that's true.
You see, it's true, I'm right. I have a show.
Ay, nako. Yeah, it's not worth it, really.
Thank you. I've been waiting for you to say that.
I know that, Papa Jack, but the thing with him is every time he tries to contact me, for some reason, he's the only guy I can't say no to.
You're helpless.
Any guy na, if I say no, it's no. But with him, I can't. For
Yeah.
some reason,
He's just-
it's my kryptonite.
He is, someone you love is your sun and your kryptonite. Someone that gives you strength and someone that takes away your strength. And you will be left naked.
Okay. I get it. So,
Yeah. Cut him off. Block him on your accounts. Don't text the guy. Change your number. I don't know what you need to do, but out of sight, out of mind. Allow yourself to heal and move forward without his memories. I don't know, but don't let go of the memories, but without his presence in your life.
yeah, kasi sabi ko, Papa Jack, I told myself, this is it. This is the last chance. Pero I feel like wala pa rin talaga eh. I feel like it's not enough. I don't feel it.
Yeah, he.
You know?
In other words, he is your totga.
It's what?
Totga.
Ano yun?
You don't know totga? We all have totgas. The one that got away.
No, he's not. Definitely, he's not the one that got away. Definitely not.
Yeah, he's getting away now.
Actually, Papa Jack, I had someone that got away, but it's a long story.
Well, I don't want to hear it. Maybe soon.
But this is my problem right now. Well, it's not really a problem, but
It's a predicament.
yes.
It is.
So
Yeah.
I mean, it's something that I can handle. I can handle him.
So
but-
he is not your totga.
ano yun, Papa Jack? Ano yan?
The one that got away.
Oh, the one? No, he's not. Definitely not.
But he is almost the totga. Pinipilit ko no?
Oh, but yes, no, definitely. He's definitely not supposed to get away. I can let him go. So, yeah. Okay.
When are you
Okay.
when are you visiting the country? I mean, when are you flying back to the Philippines for a vacation?
Maybe.
Tomorrow? Tomorrow?
No, actually, I have a family who's going home. I think
Okay.
in a couple of months. But as far as I'm concerned, hindi pa siguro. Maybe next year. I don't know.
Okay. Drop by the office. I'd like to meet people from abroad who's been calling my show. Don't bring anything. I'm serious about that. A lot of people would think that if you visit the booth, you have to bring a lot of things or bring me something. You don't have to, because I just like to meet people. Honestly, when you visit the booth, your time is more than enough that you give us. It's such a time.
Okay.
But if you want to bring, I won't stop you.
Okay. Maybe I'll think of something.
Yun lang pala yung bottom line.
I don't really go to Manila. I hate going to Manila.
I have no choice. I am from Manila.
I know.
Where's your province?
Kasi I usually go to Cebu
Ce- You're from Cebu?
yes,
I love Cebu.
me too.
Yeah, the animals in Cebu, I love. Cebu dogs, Cebu pigs, Cebu rats, everything. Cebu giraffes, everything.
The last time, actually, Papa Jar, the last time I was there was 2012.
Oh, it's been a while.
2012.
Yeah.
It's been a while, yes.
It's been a while.
And,
Yeah, it's been a while. It's like, I guess, if it's 2012, it's like, I guess it's 4 years now, right? Because it's 2012.
Yeah. Oh my God, you're so funny.
I am not funny. Oh my God. I am
Yes,
cute.
you are. Okay, Papa Jack, so here's the bottom line. So I'm gonna cut this guy off, and
Yeah.
I'm gonna
Cut
start
him,
meeting other people.
cut him in half. Like the lower and the upper, and bring home the lower.
So, Papa Jack, should I talk to him or just not?
Yeah,
should I
you-
talk to him about it? Like, just
Yeah, you have to talk to the
know.
guy, so he will stop trying to send what do you call that? Wrong signals to you. Because if you don't
Yeah.
talk to the guy and you just disappear, the guy would feel like it's okay to approach you again, because he felt always welcome in your life, right?
Right.
You have to clear things up, and you'll never know when you tell the guy, I'll get rid of you. I'll move on in life without you. You'll be a good memory, a wonderful memory to me. But who knows? He'll realize something.
You know, Papa Jack, the thing with him is he is, I don't know, I think it's all talk. Because every time he talks to me and comes back, it's like, I'm
Yeah, but this
I'm
time-
this and that.
this time-
old and I'm ready to, like, have a family and, it's all BS. I feel like it's
Yeah. I know what BS mean. It's basang sisiw. Basang sugat. Yeah, I know that. But this time you're not gonna be asking questions. You are not gonna need his opinion. You're not gonna need whatever he's going to tell you. You're just gonna tell him it's over. You're not gonna ask questions. That's it. It's your decision that matters right now.
Right.
Yeah, I'm bleeding.
Okay.
Oh my God, I feel dizzy. I feel like I'm tipsy. It's buzzing.
Yeah, I just feel like, you know what, Papa Jack, I just feel like he's just stringing me along,
Yeah, so can I? You're a free sex for him. Sorry to say that, but you are.
Yeah. Well, it's...
How come you agreed?
No, because... No, because... Oh my God!
See?
No, it's... we're very compatible in that.
Really? Tag me the video.
No, I don't do video.
No, don't do that. It ruined many careers already.
Kasi you know what it is? I've never met someone I'm very, how do I say this?
Just say it.
I've never really, because when I was with my ex-fiance, we were together for 5 years. We never really have that chemistry, yung physical chemistry that we have with this guy right now. I never had that with anybody but him.
Oh.
So it's just the physical is really strong. Alam mo yun, yung basta. It's the attraction, the physical attraction is really
And
strong.
that's very
As far as
important.
emotional,
That's very important when you're with someone who arouses your senses. Just by doing nothing, just by, like, the song T-shirt?
No.
Okay, next topic.
Okay. Well, I already know what to do, so okay, I will do that. So
Okay.
wala. What can I do?
Well, I wish you all the luck. I hope you can accomplish what you were trying to do now.
Yeah, I need to get rid of him, like really
Yeah.
for real this time.
Yeah, you need to get rid of him.
Oh my gosh, nakakainis. I really thought this time it's for real. Like, I really thought, okay, I even told him, hello, it's 2016.
Yeah.
Are we gonna go back to the same trap again? Like, seriously.
If the guy likes you, you don't even have to ask. The guy would snatch from the world for him exclusively, and he's not doing
Yeah.
that. He's allowing another guy to find you, and you're just reserved for him.
Yeah, that's one thing about him too, because he doesn't want me to entertain anybody else.
That's the
But
point,
then
because he wants the
that's
free
the
sex and the exclusivity of having the free sex. Come on, man! Stop being stupid. You're so stupid.
Oh my God!
You are. How can you be a moron and stupid at the same time?
Oh my God! I can't.
You're being a giveaway to the guy.
Yeah. So,
Yeah.
ouch. That was ouch.
Napagod
But
na
it's
ako.
true.
Yeah. Wala na akong masabi. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll cut him off.
Yeah.
It's not worth it,
Yeah.
really.
Yeah.
Papa Jack naman eh.
I'm agreeing with you. I am bleeding here. Yeah.
So, it's okay. We can talk Tagalog. I can speak Tagalog.
Don't
And,
worry, I'm an English gladiator. Meaning, it means I am strong when it comes to English. Ano sabi ko?
You know, Papa Jack, I can't believe I can't believe I was able to get through kasi sabi ko, oh my God, I'm gonna call Papa Jack's show, like, kasi I'm actually at work. and
Yeah.
I told them I'm going to lunch.
Well, thank you for
So
trying to
anyway.
call the show, and I know even before calling the show, you already know the answer to your questions. But if you're trying to confirm what you need to do, well, thank you for having me as the guy to confirm it to you.
Yeah. Yeah, I already know what I already know what I needed to do anyway. So
Yeah, you know, this is one of your habits in life. Keep back and forth. We've been saying this thing over and over since like 10 minutes ago. You know what to do, Karimov.
Papa Jack,
And are we drunk? I just want to confirm to you. Are you drunk?
no, I'm not drunk.
I feel like I'm drunk. I don't know. Am I drunk?
It's 12 o'clock in the afternoon, Papa Jack. It's too early for drinks. But kasi Papa Jack, here's the thing. Right now, I'm not really in a serious relationship or anything. So I'm gonna date other people too.
No, you don't
Start
have to
going
force
out.
yourself into someone. If you're just doing it because it's the season for having one. Like, hey, happy Valentine's Day to you.
No. I've been single on Valentine's Day, Papa Jack. Last year I was single. I don't have a problem with being single. Actually, I love being single.
Yeah.
But if I'm gonna be with somebody, I want to be with someone na alam mo yun yung I want to be in a meaningful relationship.
Try to be with someone who finds you beautiful. Who finds you a good catch and would love you in the roughest times possible being together. I mean, I don't know, but it's okay to try to have to fall in love with someone who's trying to fall in love with you too. You get what I mean?
Yes, but hindi kasi ako attracted sa kanila. Like, there are guys na I think this guy's gonna be serious. Pero if I'm not attracted to the guy, I don't think it's gonna work.
We cannot assume that because you haven't met anyone you can compare the guy to.
I've dated someone before.
Don't date someone. You might get pregnant.
No, I don't. No, Papa, I don't sleep around. No. So that's the thing. That's what I'm saying. This is the only guy who can break me. Alam mo yun? Like,
I know.
parang-
He's the only guy who's got that ID tag that says all access.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I can't.
He's the only guy who can be in the production area and backstage and the comfort room and anywhere else in your life. He's the only guy. You know why he can do that? Because you gave the guy the ID that says all access.
Yeah. The access.
Yeah. So
Access code.
yeah. So stop giving your PUK code. Know what that is?
Yeah, I know what that
Yeah,
is.
the PUK code, the PUK. We have to start reading that as PUK code, not PUK. It should be read as PUK code. Because we read PIN code as PIN code. We don't say PIN code. We say PIN code. So we have to read it at PUK code. Don't give anyone your PUK code. They might enter your asterisk.
Stop it. Ay, naku.
Tanga dito.
Okay.
Ano
I
ka rin
know.
mo?
So, anyway, okay. Well, I
I
get
am
it.
so fun to talk to.
Oh, really? Well,
Yeah, I'm telling you. I'm convincing you
why?
because I want to. Ang ako yung makasama nito.
Ikaw din naman eh. You're fun to talk to.
Wala.
So,
Ay, hindi narinig kasi. Sabi ko, I am fun to talk to, not you.
sorry naman. Yeah, you are fun to talk to, yes.
Thank you.
Actually, I like your personality, Papa Jack. I like your,
I like my personality too. I have no choice. It's me.
at saka you make sense to me. Alam mo yun, you're not the typical Filipino na basta, anyway.
Yeah. I am. Yeah, that's me.
So, you make, to me, you make sense. Not a lot of, you make sense to me, so.
Yeah, thank you. I make sense. I also make breakfast.
So anyway, okay, Papa Jack, well, thank you for your input. So,
Yeah, thank you for asking me and for allowing me to help you out with your question. You already know the answer. Okay, before you hang on the phone, First of all, I want you to remember this always, all right?
Okay.
Okay. The only time that you are going to get and gain respect from other people if you show them how to give it to yourself. There's no way other people can give you respect if they cannot see that you respect yourself. You know exactly what I'm telling you. You in a way, and I know you love the guy so much, and you will never regret all those times that you spent with this guy.
Right.
But look at you
I
now.
know naman that,
You are
Papa Jack,
left
eh.
with like you're alone, and the guy can go on in life with. Tell me, how is he going to tell you about you to other people? You're just a bedtime partner. I don't know, and that will hurt you. At the end of the
Right.
day, you're still a girl. Take good
Yeah.
care of yourself, all right? That's the only way we're gonna take good care of you if as guys. Promise me that.
I don't know that, Papa Jack. It's just, like I told you, he's the
Sabi mo lang,
guy.
promise na lang. Kulit mo naman eh.
Okay, promise. I know, Papa Jack, I know myself value naman. But I just feel like I'm really trying to push it to make it work with him kasi nga I'm really attracted to him.
Yeah.
And, but I think it's not enough. Attraction alone is not enough to make a relationship work.
Thank you for
So-
saying that. Yeah, that's the bottom line of all of this.
Yes, it's not enough.
At least you tried, and you'd given more than enough to convince the guy.
Yeah, yun nga eh. Kaya nga sabi ko, I told myself, if this time talaga, like, I feel like if it doesn't work this time, sabi ko, at least I can tell myself na, I tried and it still didn't work and it's okay and just move on, Let it go. So, anyway, thank you, Papa Jack, for your,
Yeah, thank you.
for your input. So,
Yeah, thank you for calling the show, and
pag umuwi ako, where do I go?
you go to your home.
I mean, dyan sa Manila. Kasi I usually fly from DC to Korea and then Korea to Cebu.
Oh, right.
I don't like going to Manila.
Why? No, you have to come over. Manila, we don't have traffic here. It's amazing in here. You travel
Oh my
EDSA,
God.
it's not traffic. It's like 2.5 hours. Yeah.
No, that would aggravate me. No, I can't deal with traffic.
There's no traffic in here. There's no lubak in here. There's no mamang driver nagasakay sa gitna ng daan here. No, nothing like that. There are no bus drivers who try to race like maniacs along EDSA. There's none of those things in here.
Saan yung station nyo?
We are located in the safest place because
Saan?
Yeah, we are in CCP area,
CCP. Hindi ko alam yan.
Star
I
City.
don't know where it is. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, anyway, malayo pa naman eh. I probably won't be back till next year. So.
Who knows? I will lose my
Yeah.
job before that.
Oh, no.
Yeah, I don't like to as well. I have to pay
I'm not
bills.
listening to your show. Please keep your job. I think you're gonna go far.
I know,
Farther,
but I'm trying to
actually.
apply as a bold star.
No, I think you're better off. I know doing what you're doing. I
Why?
think you're really good at it.
You don't,
Sorry,
you,
no.
you don't have the confidence I can be a bold star.
I don't know.
I think, yeah,
Do you
that's
want
true.
to?
I
Would you
won't.
rather be
No,
would you
yeah.
rather be a bold star than doing what you're doing now?
Yeah, that's a bad idea. Let's not do that.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Papa Jack, you're so good at what you're doing. Just keep it up.
I'm a good bold star.
No, yung yung show mo. Ano?
Para akong tanga.
So anyway, Papa Jack, sige na, kakain na ako.
Ang ingit pa si Moko.
So, Papa Jack, anong oras na dyan?
Oh, it's 5 in the afternoon, Joss.
No, really.
It's 14 after 1 o'clock morning of the Saturday. It's the day before Valentine's Day. It's my concert day in Araneta Coliseum. I will have a concert this evening at the Smart Araneta Coliseum.
Papa Jack, sayang, we have a plan pa naman this Valentine's, so I guess I'm gonna cancel that crap.
Yeah. Send the budget to me.
I'm like, so I don't know.
Di sa mga tulog ko to.
I'll find something to do. I'll find something to do on this weekend.
Yeah, go swimming with the whales.
Malamig kaya. Malamig, Papa Jack.
Wear a jacket while swimming.
So anyway. Ako.
Oh my God, I'm so funny. I'm convincing myself. Ooh, hello myself, I'm funny. Yes, you're funny. Naiinis ka na, no?
No, not at all.
Yeah,
I
thank
can
you.
take it.
Wow, that's a
I
sacrifice.
mean, whatever it is that you're gonna tell me, I can take it. So.
I'm just kidding her. I'm just trying to fool around. But thank you for calling the show. And I send my regards to all the Filipinos in there who's tuning into my show. It's a wonderful thing to know that even if you're far away, you keep in touch and feel connected through the show. Thank you very much. That means so much to me.
Okay, Papa Jack. Thank you.
Send me 10% of all of
Okay.
your salaries.
Pag umuwi ko dyan, I'll bring you some
You don't.
chocolate.
No. You don't have to. I'm just kidding. You don't have to bring me anything. I just love to meet people who listen to my show abroad. But please don't bring me
Okay.
anything. Nothing at all. All right.
Pakipot ka pa dyan eh.
Well, if you insist, go ahead.
Okay, Papa Jack. Alright, it's nice talking to you, Papa Jack.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
God bless. Bye-bye. Mga kaibigan, that was our last caller for my career. Baka matapos yung career ko. Si Marie. Dalawa yung Marie tumawag yung gabi. No? Marie. Araw, gabi. Walang panty. Mga kanta ng bata yan, di ba? At sumikat, no? Di ba yung mga bata, no? Mga rhyme na... Sino kaya ang bata yung mga... I'm sure 1980s pa yung batang kumanta niya, no? Sumikat na lang. Yung mga tipong... Eto, high school ako sumikat yun. Sabihin mo sa ate mo, break na kami. Nakita ko yung panty niya. Ganito, kalaki. High school ako niyan. Wala ko marinig yan. Tapos meron ka pang magmuestra ng kamay, bibilog ka na malaki sa hangin. Sabihin mo sa ate mo, break na kami. Nakita ko ang panty niya. Ganito, kalaki. Yung gagano pa sa'yo. Kaya mas... Abang, imagine ka, bakit ang laki ng panty parang kumot? Ano ba itong buhay ko? Ano ba itong buhay niyo sa akin? Parang awa niyo na. Friday kasi ngayon kaya medyo basag ako. Lasing ako, isa kape. Alam niyo ba mga kaibigan, dahil mamayang gabi, para mo convince kayo, meron akong magic mic performance daw. Yung tawag sa Jarvis. So I will be doing the sexy routine dance keme. So, kaninang alas 2 ng tanghali, yun yung huling kain ko ng solid food. So, wala kanina hanggang bukas. Puro na ako juice. Pero nagugutom ako ngayon. Parang hindi ko yung pangatawanan. Parang gusto ko ng gustipada. Mood nga lang, hindi ako kumakain ng karne. Ayun ako. Anyways, just lang. Nahihilo sa gusto. Ang tingin ko kay Richard, saging eh. Gusto ko siyang isubo eh. Ganun pangit tignan eh. Parang baboy. Anong saging ka, Rod? Senyorita? Ang liit mo ah. Ayun ako. Gusto ko yung saging sa ano, no? Ayun, yung laki rin na ano, hindi ba sa 7-Eleven? Ilang agat mo yan? Ako? Isang piraso yun. Swak yan sa akin eh. Oh, ganun pa lang yun. Bro, ulitin ko lang ha, madam. May nag-uusapan saging. Tanay. Oray, tanay! Oray, tam to mananay! Ano ba, parang ang tanga. Nag-text pa sa akin. Si Sunny nakakinig ngayon. Pabati naman Edwin Bernabe tsaka Bernabes daw. Food Corp Audio Family of Union City, California. Soliva Family, Maliksi Family, Barbadas Family, and happy anniversary to Balikatan Orphanage ba ito? Movement on Last in Milan. Founder Mr. Nelson Tacosalme, 14th anniversary daw nila. Hello po, papasan. Hi. Kaya lang, magpaplay na ako ng dalawang kanta tapos uuwi na ako. Alam ko na miss ko na si Justin Bieber. Hindi ko na-play kanina, no? Nag-RHB ako, nag-hit back ako. But I'm playing him now. But before that, I'd like to play... Kamaya na pala. Hindi ko pala i-play. Bago yung The Justin Bieber, mga kaibigan, one call away muna. Tapos, The Justin Bieber muna pala. Sara ulo ang kausap talaga. Eto muna, mga kaibigan. Love yourself. For all the times that you rain in my parade. For all the clubs you get and you sing my name. I think I broke my eggs. For goodness sake. Nag-break yung eggs! Nagmaalat ba naman yung iba dyan? Sus talaga kayo. Ito mo to. Ulo ka ulit. Alright mga kaibigan, here comes Justin Bieber before I finally say bye-bye. Stick with me here.
All the times that you rain on my parade.